The new assembly line can produce 3 times as many toys as the old assembly line. The old assembly line produced 400 per day. How many more toys can the new assembly line produce during a 30-day production month? So as always, we're going to highlight the key parts, and as it's a math question, the key parts are normally numbers. So we've got the new assembly line can produce 3 times as many as the old, and then the old assembly line produces 400 per day. And we're trying to work it out for a 30-day period. Now, we're going to break it up first into the old assembly line and the new, and then we can answer the question, how many more toys can the new assembly line produce? So I'm going to write old to represent the old one. And it says here that we've got 400 per day. So this will equal 400. And we're talking about a 30-day period, so we'll times it by 30. Now we could do 400 multiplied by 30, but if we look at our answer options, we can see they all end in 3 zeros. And given this, we know it's going to be in the thousands, so we can actually remove the zeros from our equation. So instead of 400 multiplied by 30, we're just going to do 4 multiplied by 3, and this will equal 12. And now for the new assembly line. So I'll write new over here. And we know that the new assembly line is going to be 3 times as much as the old assembly line. So if the old assembly line is 12, we'll write that in. We just need to multiply this by 3. And 12 times 3, we'll break it down into 10 times 3. And then 2 times 3. And 10 times 3 is easy because we just move the 0 over. And that is 1 times 3, which equals 3. And 3 times 2 is simply doubling 3, so 3, 6, and 6 is our final answer. And when we add these together, 30 and 6, we get 36. And now the question's asking us, how many more toys can the new assembly line produce? So we simply take our number for the new assembly line, 36, and we minus it from the old assembly line, 12. And 36 minus 12 will equal 24. And when we look at our answers on the left, we can see 24 is our 4th option down and our final answer.